Hey, what's up, URM? I'm going to show you folks how to import the MIDI and tempo information into Logic Pro for this month's Nail the Mix. So first off, let's right-click on the MIDI file and choose Open With in Logic Pro. And then Logic's going to open up with a session with all the information already imported. And then it's got our drum MIDI in there. So next, we're going to take our audio files, select all of them, and drop them all the way at the beginning. Now it's going to ask us, do we want to create new tracks? And we totally do. Next, it's going to ask us, do you want to convert all these files to 44.1 kilohertz or change this project to 48 kilohertz? It's way easier just to change the project, but if for whatever reason you need 44.1 kilohertz, hit convert. But for most folks, choose change project. And now, these files are all 32-bit audio files. Logic only works with 24-bit, so it's going to take a few moments for it to convert all of those files into 24-bit audio files. So I'm going to skip past this part, but if you just wait a little bit, it'll be ready for you. Alright, with those all imported, I'm going to mute these MIDI files for right now. And I'm going to take everything and turn it way down. And now turn the click on. Let's see if everything is A-OK. And boom, you can see everything is perfect. So make sure you import the MIDI with the Open With Logic, or you can even drag and drop it in, and make sure you select the import tempo and change project sample rate to 48 kilohertz. Wait for all the files to convert to 24-bit, and you'll be in business. Right on. Have fun.